Hi, I'm Allie.
I'm Liv, and we've just finished our first day at the Science Festival.
It's been really, really awesome.
We've done so much
Dating, meeting and relating.
How the body shapes the mind.
Behind the scenes.
Student social. What an amazing brain. Never worked with children or animals.
Food addiction, whether it's fact or fiction.
Hyper alpha disaster.
Bright Club.
Do we really need satellites? What makes someone a psychopath? How the zebra got its stripes?
Quantum physics. Offshore emergencies.
Superhero science.
Expanding minds and universes.
Worst kept secret at the British
Yeah,
Science Festival.
it is.
Victorian Science Spectacular.
Bubbles physicist. Which is the first time I'd ever heard of that.
What's the point? End of the world party. Sperm warfare. One of them was just sort of like, woo, and then the universe ended.
I don't even know how to summarise it.
It was
awesome.
excellent. We went to see the guy off of the Inside Nature's Giants.
Oh,
Yeah.
amazing. Lots of it, like, were things that we could kind of relate to in relation to our course. Like a lot of, he was talking about like sperm structure and stuff.
Yeah.
But then it was interesting to see it in animals like outside the domestic range, which is what the only things that we've studied. So that was like really cool to kind of hear about other animals.
Ants are the best thing on the planet. They invented farming before we did. They use fungicides. They have agriculture and horticultural farmland, livestock. Nature's little anarchists. Wonderful.
We went to this sort of variety show that's on every day. It's called The Exchange, starting with an X. But today it was really awesome because Brian Cox was there.
Brian Cox. We each got a photo with him, didn't we?
Yeah. What a babe.
It was probably one of the best moments of my life.
And Brian Cox, who's now people know about him, so the two come together and you can do quite difficult subjects sometimes.
Yeah.
Quantum theory and things like that. The challenge is doing something in a subject where you don't know the presenter, you don't know the subject, and you don't know the title, and then you really are struggling. It can be done, but you are struggling.
I went to some amazing lecture by
John Hutchinson.
Yeah, John Hutchinson, who is a lecturer at my uni at the Royal Veterinary College, and
He was so cool.
he was just awesome. Like his lecture was so cool. It was like
It was about dinosaurs.
yeah,
so he
dinosaurs.
had a head start.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with dinosaurs anyway.
He talked about all like the normal things that you talk about, how cool
Yeah.
dinosaurs are, but then he was like talking about his research into sort of locomotion and like limb mechanics and how like the elephants run and like crocodiles run and stuff.
And all with these like computer simulations where they would know how dinosaurs like moved from like they simulated, didn't they?
Yeah, based on like their bones.
Yeah, based on their bones, then they'd know how they move because they'd know if it was like a certain angle it wouldn't work with like the length of their bones.
Yeah, and footsteps that they found and how far apart the feet were, so they knew how long like one step was. It was a Kaylee tonight, and Allie didn't know what Kaylee is, so I feel honour bound to take her. She knows what Kaylee is.
Yeah, I do. I didn't know what it was before.
I think
It was like
I
the
like you
festival
explaining
finale.
Kaylee.
Oh, it was just awesome. It was like organised mayhem. It was like everyone was like dancing. You had to have a partner, and then you get taught the dance steps, and then like the whole room was doing it, and it was just so cool. There was like so many people involved.
Yeah, it's a great atmosphere.
Yeah, it was such a nice atmosphere. So that was the finale to our trip here. It's been really good. Like there's been so much like good inspiration. We've managed to speak to some like awesome
really
people.
cool people, really
who
famous people as well.
Yeah, like famous people and like people who have really good advice because they're so experienced in this kind of thing. So it's just been awesome. Like I'm really excited to get started. Hello, just wanted to show you this. We each got a free like baby microscope. So Liv is pretending not to be excited about it.
I'm really excited.
Yeah, no, we're both like really excited because apparently you can just use like random things around the house or in your garden and just look it up. So yeah, we now each have a child's microscope, but we're probably more excited than any of the children there were by it. So yeah, we thought we should include it in our video blog.